Hello everyone, welcome back to CB Auto News. Today, we're diving into the 2025 Honda Accord, a sedan that keeps getting better with every update. Honda has introduced a new SE trim, upgraded technology, and impressive fuel efficiency, making this one of the best choices for a comfortable yet fun-to-drive family car. Let's take a closer look at what makes the new Accord stand out. The biggest change this year is the addition of the SE trim, which replaces the EX. It comes with a sportier look featuring black window trim, black 17-inch alloy wheels, black mirror caps, and a black roof antenna. Inside, it offers premium comfort with a 10-way power driver's seat, a power sunroof, dual-zone climate control, and heated front seats. Every Accord now includes rear climate control vents and 2 USB-C ports in the back, making it even more convenient for passengers. Hybrid models also get a 15-watt wireless phone charger, while the top touring trim adds a heated steering wheel. Under the hood, you get 2 engine options. The LX and SE trims come with a turbocharged 1.5-liter 4-cylinder engine, producing 192 horsepower, paired with a CVT for smooth and efficient performance. If you want more power and better fuel economy, the hybrid is the way to go. It combines a 2.0-liter 4-cylinder engine with 2 electric motors, generating 204 horsepower. The hybrid model shines in fuel efficiency, offering 51 miles per gallon in the city and 48 on the highway. Even the non-hybrid version impresses, reaching 40 mpg on the highway in real-world testing. Inside, the Accord continues to offer a refined and spacious cabin. The dashboard features Honda's signature honeycomb-patterned air vents, giving it a clean, modern look. The seats are well cushioned and supportive, and the trunk provides a generous 16.7 cubic feet of cargo space. Lower trims come with cloth upholstery, while higher trims upgrade to leather seats for a more luxurious feel. Tech features have also been upgraded. The Accord now comes with either a 7-inch or a larger 12.3-inch touchscreen with a 10.2-inch digital gauge display standard on all models. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto come included, with wireless connectivity available on models with the larger screen. If you go for the touring trim, you'll also get a head-up display and a 12-speaker Bose premium sound system for an enhanced driving experience. Pricing starts at $29,390 and goes up to $40,395 for the top trims. With its combination of style, performance, efficiency, and advanced features, the 2025 Honda Accord remains a top contender in the sedan market. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more exciting car updates. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.